How would you like to make money online while helping people during this pandemic time? We know how it feels. Making money online is no easy task. There's a lot to do, a lot to keep in mind, and everything that you thought you knew tends to change. And even after trying affiliate marketing, blogging, video marketing, SEO, list building, social media marketing, and a lot more, you don't get the results you desired and deserved. Don't panic and lose hope yet, because what you're about to hear will have you letting out a sigh of relief. Here's the thing. The global diabetic care market was valued at $28 billion in 2020 and is forecasted to reach $41.71 billion by 2027 at a CAGR of 7.9%. The reason? By the end of 2019, the whole world witnessed dire consequences of the COVID-19 pandemic. And as diabetic patients have a weak immune system, COVID-19 can easily impact the patients with weak immune systems, creating an emergent need to monitor them continuously, which is likely to propel the market growth. The growing need to track and monitor diabetes is boosting the progress of this market, even in the pandemic. People all around the world are looking for effective solutions to become healthier and change their lifestyle. The health and wellness industry is booming, and diabetes care is a major part of this trend. Like any health issue, it's based on the proper functioning of our body, and that is directly related to what we eat and different types of activities that we do, and that is where the money is. Also, health and wellness is still the #1 niche on ClickBank for a very long time, with over 7 to 8 figures generated via online transaction alone. Keeping this in mind, this is a goldmine opportunity for entrepreneurs who are looking for a super hot niche to profit from while helping others with their problems. You can cash in on this growing niche by selling your own info products, but unfortunately, product creation is not everyone's cup of tea. You will have to do everything yourself from scratch: research, content creation, graphics, promo materials, and if you hire someone to do all the work, believe us, the expense will almost put you in an early grave. Well, now you can step up your game and leave all the worries behind. Now, there is no need to rattle your brain with various tips, methods, techniques, tools, and still you will get the income you desired. Because we are providing you with our comprehensive info product on how to better handle your diabetes, reduce complications due to COVID-19, and adapting new lifestyle changes right from the comfort of your home. That will enable you to step up into this billion-dollar industry and generate big profits by leaps and bounds. The best part? No product creation, no outsourcing headaches, and no marketing experience required. Just imagine, in just 4 steps, you'll get money credited messages round the clock. All you have to do is, Step 1, download our ready-for-market product. Step 2, put your name on it. Step 3, upload it to your server. Step 4, make instant sales and keep 100% of the profits. Doesn't it sound awesome? That's exactly what we have got for you. Introducing COVID-19 Diabetes Wellness with PLR. That means you can sell it under your own name and keep 100% of the profits. This topic is evergreen, high in demand, and from a big niche. It is growing bigger and bigger. So here's exactly what you are going to get in this. Professionally written training guide, high converting sales copy, customer sales video, professional graphics, animated banners, professionally written email swipes, professional mini sites, legal pages, social media graphics, PDF graphics, and 10 unique articles bundled into one. In addition, you will get instant access to 3 fast action bonuses. Bonus 1, cheat sheet. Bonus 2, mind map. And bonus 3, top resources report. We are providing you with everything you need to establish yourself as a health and fitness authority and get loyal customers like a breeze. It is a well-researched, top-notch package that will put money into your pockets. Money like this. You can start making money today and continue it for months, because you are providing people with the product they want and need. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started today. Remember, this has a value of more than $4,000 plus the pain involved in getting it done. But we are providing you with a shortcut to the system, and providing you a high-quality product that you can sell under your own name at a massive discount. That means you will get profound results in a limited time. Do not wait. Prices will increase soon. Grab your copy and get ready to magnetize ocean-deep profits. Take action now.